16. Y is inversely proportion. Inversely proportion to x squared. So y is equal to k over x squared. This is inverse. If the question give you direct, then y equal to k x squared. This is direct proportion. In this case is inverse. So first we need to know what is a k. So normally question will give you the x and the y, you just substitute. So 2 equal to k over 3 square. So 2 equal to k over 9. So your k is equal to 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Okay, so you get the formula y equal to 18 over x squared. Okay, now you can answer the question. Find y when x equal to 2. Okay, so when x equal to 2, y equal to 18 over 2 square, or equal to 18 over 4. That will give you 4.5. I hope this discussion along with the revision tips and answering strategies will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies and I will see you again in next video.